Sorry about that, guys. The power at school shut off, so that last video ended kind of abruptly. So we will just pick up where we left off. Let's see, at the end, I think we were mentioning that the mechanical advantages that are fractional or decimal mean that you can move more distance like a bike. I push my feet a small amount of space to go a long distance. All right, and then the last piece to add is efficiency. We don't have a variable for efficiency, so we're just going to say the efficiency percentage. And the efficiency is how much of your effort actually gets put into the task that you're wanting to accomplish, and we call that the load. So how much of your effort gets put into the load? And different machines have different amounts of efficiency. The efficiency you can find by doing the mechanical advantage real divided by the mechanical advantage ideal. Or you could also say that's just kind of a way of saying where you want it to go divided by how much actually goes where you want it to. So the mechanical advantage real divided by mechanical advantage ideal, because you're dividing two of the same thing, you can call that a percentage. It'll give it to you in decimal form, and then you'll have to convert it to a percentage by moving the decimal point over a couple. So like 0.78 is 78% efficient. And then one note for efficiency is that nothing is ever 100% efficient because friction exists. The only place that you would get perfect 100% efficiency is in an imaginary place that I am just making up called Happy Physics Land. So in Magic Happy Physics Land, there is no friction, and then everything glides perfectly. The object in motion stays in motion forever, and all machines are 100% efficient. But unfortunately, in the real world, air rubs against things on the molecular level, pieces rub against each other, even just like a lever with a single pivot point. That pivot point has some friction on it. So anything that is touching or moving the air in any way, so anything that exists on or off the Earth, is not 100% efficient because you'll have some, even small, degree of friction. And a lot of machines, like the automobile in your car, is probably only like, or sorry, the engine in your car is probably only like 20 to 30% efficient. So only 20% of the gasoline that you put in your car actually goes to moving your car forwards. And they've started to work to make those more efficient, but you still lose a heck of a lot to heat and things like that. Okay, so we are now through page 2 of your physics everything sheet. Great job, and we will pick back up later.